Introduction to a computer. Computer is an electronic machine that works according to our need. Nowadays, we use computers at many places as they are fast, accurate, and have a very high memory. Computer, a smart machine. A computer is a smart machine that helps us to do various things. I am a computer. You can do many things using me. Type letters, make drawings and color them, play songs and music, surf the internet, watch cartoons and movies, solve mathematical problems. Working of a computer. The working of a computer is based on the principle of IPO, Input Process Output Cycle. IPO cycle. We enter data and instructions in the IPO cycle. They are processed and stored, and finally the result is given out. Inputs or data are the instructions and commands given to a computer. Processing is a method where a computer accepts, examines, and calculates the result. Information or output is the result given by a computer after processing. This can be understood in the following way. Input. We feed data and instructions into a computer using input devices like keyboard and mouse. Processing. It processes and stores the data and instructions using the processing device CPU. Output. It gives the result using output devices like monitor and printer. We can see many such examples of IPO cycle in our daily life. We require paper and crayons to draw a picture. These are the inputs. We make a drawing using the paper and crayons. This is called processing. The completed drawing is the output. Features of a computer. A computer has many features which make it so special. Speed. It can work very fast. It has a very high speed. Accuracy. It is an accurate machine. It can do calculations without making any mistake. However, a computer gives incorrect result when incorrect input is fed. Memory. It can store huge amount of data and information in its storage space, which is called memory. It has a hard disk that stores data and information. Diligence. It can work continuously for hours without getting tired. The speed and accuracy levels of a computer remain the same even after it works for many hours. It is one of the most reliable machines today. Versatility. It can perform various types of jobs at the same time with the same speed and accuracy. For example, we can play games, listen to music, or draw pictures at the same time on a computer. Reliability. It never leaves a work half done and always completes it. Limitations of a computer. A computer has many limitations. It does not have feelings. It never feels happy, bored or tired. It cannot learn on its own. Its knowledge and working capabilities are limited to the programs installed on it. It cannot take decisions on its own. It works as per the given instructions. It is dependent on us for care. It cannot think. It works on the set of instructions provided to it. Parts of a computer. Computer. A computer is a smart machine that performs various tasks. It consists of different parts that work together. This is why a computer is also called a computer system. A computer system works with the help of two basic parts, hardware and software. Hardware, parts that we can see and touch. Software, a set of instructions. Hardware, the physical parts of a computer that we can see and touch are called hardware. All the electronic, electrical and mechanical parts form the hardware. The main hardware part of a computer is the processor. It is found inside a box called CPU. Hard disk, motherboard and memory are some other hardware parts present inside the CPU. They are not visible to us. We can see some hardware parts like monitor, CPU, mouse and keyboard. Keyboard. Keyboard is the commonly used hardware component of a computer. It is an input device used to enter data into a computer. A keyboard has a number of keys arranged in rows or blocks. We type data in the form of text, numbers or symbols by pressing these keys. The keyboard comprises of the following types of keys: alphanumeric keys, special keys, modifier keys, navigation keys, function keys. Alphanumeric keys. We use alphanumeric keys to type letters and numbers. A keyboard has 26 alphabet keys arranged in a jumbled manner. There are 10 number keys from 0 to 9. The number of keys are grouped together in a block on numeric keypad, which helps to enter the numbers quickly. Special keys. Specific tasks are performed using special keys. Some of them are described below. Backspace key. It erases the text before the cursor. It also erases the text selected by us. Delete key. It erases text after the cursor and removes the selected text or item on the screen. Enter key. It is used to type text from a new line. The cursor moves till the end of the line as we go on typing. It then automatically moves to the next line. We press the Enter key to move to the next line before reaching the end of the current line. Enter key is also called Return key. Space bar key. It is used to move the cursor ahead by one space. This gives space between two letters, numbers or words. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Shift key. It is used in combination with other keys to perform different functions. For example, it is pressed with the letter key to type the letter in uppercase. It is also pressed with number keys to type the symbols made on them. Caps Lock key. It is used to type capital letters. On pressing the caps lock key once, a light glows on the top right corner of the keyboard. It shows that the caps lock function is on. Pressing the caps lock key once more switches it off. Control CTRL key. A keyboard has two control keys. They perform special operations on being pressed with other keys. Symbol keys. We use symbol keys to add punctuation marks and other symbols while typing. Modifier keys. The functions of other keys can be modified using modifier keys. They are used in combination with the other keys to change their output. For example, on pressing the Shift key with number key 1, we get the exclamation mark as an output. Navigation keys. Navigation keys are used to move the cursor around in a document to see or edit text. Page up, page down, home, end, and arrow keys are different navigation keys. There are 4 arrow keys used to move the cursor in different directions on the screen. They are also called cursor control keys. Function keys. There are 12 function keys from F1 to F12. Each function key performs a special task. Mouse. A mouse is an input device which helps us to perform different tasks on a computer. It is used to point at or select an object on a computer screen. It usually has 2 buttons, left button and right button. Pressing and releasing the left mouse button is called click. Single click is pressing the left mouse button once. When we press it twice quickly, it is called double click. Click is pressing the left button once. Right click is pressing the right button once. Monitor. A monitor is an output device that has a screen. It displays the work we do on a computer, like typing words and numbers, and making pictures, tables, graphs, and charts. We also watch movies or cartoons on a monitor. Monitors are of 3 types. 1. Cathode ray tube CRT monitor. It is big in size, very heavy, and occupies lots of space. This monitor is rarely in use now. 2. Liquid crystal display LCD monitor. It is not very big in size, not very heavy, and occupies less space. The pictures on it are clearer than CRT monitor. 3. Light emitting diode LED monitor. It is not big in size, not very heavy, and occupies less space. The pictures on it are clearer than on LCD monitor and CRT monitor. Central Processing Unit CPU. The Central Processing Unit CPU is the main part of a computer. It is the brain of a computer. It performs all the processing work of a computer. It is also called the system unit. Parts inside the CPU. Some hardware parts of a computer are inside the CPU. Motherboard. All other parts of the CPU are connected to the motherboard. Switched mode power supply SMPS. It supplies power to a computer. Hard disk drive. It stores data permanently inside a computer. Random access memory RAM. It stores data temporarily inside a computer. Processor. It is the actual processing device of a computer. Following are the main parts of a processor. Arithmetic Logic Unit ALU. ALU carries out all the mathematical and logical operations. Control Unit CU controls the transfer of information from one part of the processor to the other. Memory Unit MU. MU stores data in a computer. Printer. A printer is an output device used to take printouts of the work done on paper. Modem. A modem connects one computer to the other computers through the internet. It exchanges information over telephone lines. Compact Disc Read-Only Memory CD-ROM. CD-ROM is a storage device of a computer. It stores a large amount of information outside a computer. Software. Software is a set of instructions that performs a specific task on a computer system. Some widely used software are Windows 10 and MS Word. System software and application software are two kinds of software. System software. System software is the main software program which makes a computer run and performs all its essential tasks. It basically allows the hardware parts of a computer to work together. A computer cannot operate as a single unit without a system software. Operating system is the most essential system software. Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10 are the popular operating systems. Application software. We use an application software to perform specific tasks or applications. Some common application software are described below. Word processing software. It is used to type, edit and format text documents. We can type poems, stories and many other things using this software. Microsoft Word and Apple Works are some examples. Spreadsheet software. It is used to enter data in tables. A table consists of rows and columns. Microsoft Excel is a popular spreadsheet software. Database software. It is a computer program used to store and manage information or data. Microsoft Access and Oracle are some examples. Multimedia software. It helps in integrating multiple media forms like text, graphics, audio, video and animation. Real Player and Windows Media Player are some examples.